Hello everybody, April 11, Tuesday, all the markets on the global base are open again, and for this reason we quickly check the overall market. Don't forget to push the abo button, give us a thumb up if you like the video, and make sure that you're not gonna miss a video. Let's start. Okay, we start with a heat map like always. Well, mainly green, the big ones, a little bit of red, tech ones. We quickly check the interest rates, 2 years on the downtrend, 10 years on the downtrend, but still inverted and not good for the bank. So this problem is most likely not sorted out. We quickly check the rate hike expectations. And here we have a new picture. Two-thirds of the participants of the market expect that we see another 25 base points increase on May 3. Not good for the market because we would go up to 5% and maybe not good for the Bitcoin as well. Who knows? All right, let's check the big markets on a global base. This is live. We see DAX 0.5% up this morning. Dow Jones and Nasdaq and S&P 500 about even. Not much is happening. Last night we saw a strong increase. Nikkei 1% plus. Hong Kong 1.4% plus, and the oil price is pretty steady. Nothing happens. So we have a quick look to the gold price. This is very nice. For more than a week, we are over $2,000. It's a good thing. And this goes very much along with the Bitcoin and maybe has also something to do with the banking crisis. Who knows? All right, we quickly check the Fear and Greed Index from CNN, and we see we are now in the greed zone, 61%, so sentiment is quite good. Important is the market momentum, which is the S&P 500, and here we see we are really stable over 4,000 points. That's a good sign. Okay, let's check the Bitcoin. This is live. 30,125. So we had a strong increase last night. Later I will explain on the technical analysis what happened. One thing you have to see here, RSI is really up under 70%. Don't run after. This could be dangerous because we will see this is not spot driven. Okie doke. And now we have a look to the overall picture. Like always, every candle is 1 month. And the nice thing is for 4 months we have green candles. So we see an increase. And really important is now the MACD. The orange line is moving towards the blue line. And if we see a bullish crossover from the downside to the upside, that would mean that maybe a new bull market starts, meaning that we see increasing of price. Interesting to follow. Okay, we check the market capitalization on one gold. 13 trillion meanwhile, silver 1.4 trillion. But Bitcoin moved up from 12 to 11, 582 billion. Really, really nice, I would say. All right, you guys, disclaimer like always before we go into the technical analysis. We don't give you any financial advice. You have to make your own decision. Go on other websites, check other YouTube channels. The more information you get, the less it's likely that you make mistakes. Okie doke. So we start. First of all, like always, Fear and Greed Index for the crypto market. And we sit on 68%. So also on timeline, this looks really nice. Sentiment is good. Heat map is all green, not only BTC, also the altcoins. While we see an increase of 1% when it comes to dominance, 48%, coming from 47%. Total market is about 1.2 trillion. And yeah, that's a good sign. Yeah, now we come to spot to future volume. Very important. I was talking about this for a couple of days. We are not driven anymore by spot, which we have been in the increase. We are now again driven by the future market. And for this reason, we check live the actual future market. You see it's mainly green. People are still betting on higher prices. Okay, and now we check what happened last night. And This is quite interesting because this is BTC liquidations, and you can see very nice here the red bars. So people were squeezed out. We betted on falling prices. We thought, well, prices may be going after 24 days down to 25, 26. We betted on the future market, and bam, price went up. They got squeezed out. They have to close. They get liquidated, and the price goes even more up. This is what I said. Be careful. Don't run after. This is not spot driven. Loaded addresses, constant increase. Okay, so let's check what is Google saying. And here we had an increase. This was when we had the increase from 15 to 28. Now people are not so much interested anymore. We check the countries: El Salvador on 1, Nigeria, and now Netherlands on 3, Slovenia on 4, and Switzerland on 5. Market is driven by Europe. I said it every day. Now we come to the technical details. Very important. I said it yesterday. After 24 days, it's good possible that we see a breakout to the upside or to the downside. Well, we saw it to be upside, as I just said, due to the short squeeze. But be careful, because the RSI is on 70%, so we are really overbought. We are much more buyers than sellers with very low volume. That's a tricky thing. By the way, go on this website. It's getting better every day. Check it out. And there's a lot of information which can help you. Short-term indicator says, well, we can run to $32,000. There is some momentum in the market. Okay, here we come to the cycle model, and we are still overrated with more than $3,000 according to the model. In the end, nothing has changed. April next year, maybe something like 41,000. Second model says more or less the same. That says about 43,000, something like. All right, you guys, I hope it was valuable information for you. Be careful, don't run after. It was a strong increase last night in the price. As I said, future driven, not spot driven. And just check it out. And it would be great to see you tomorrow again. Thanks and bye-bye.